Now, the next one is what we call spread. Okay. Now, specifically, when you are commenting on the spread of data, what you really want to look at is what we call the middle 50%. Remember, I told you that from the that's zero to quarter, that's the first 25% of the data, second 25, third 25, and the last 25, altogether making 100% of data. This is the middle two 25s, which of course comprises of 50% of the data. So this is what we call the middle 50% of the data. Some students, some books, some teachers refer to it as the box. So what you want to look at is go, okay, which box is wider or bigger? Or are they both the same? Okay, so just by looking at it, I can go, okay. This here, that box, the middle 50% of babies whose weights are dictated by mother's non-smoking status tend to, this is bigger, this box, than mothers who do smoke. So that's how I'm going to start off my making my spread comments. I've given a bit of a clue for how to do it. You look at the boxes in the boxing whisker plot, the middle 50%. Okay, so I can just going to call it the middle 50%. I don't like using boxes, but I'm just going to put it there as a clue for you to look at. Is the middle 50% for one of the groups longer than the middle 50% of the other? If you can't make a call, do the maths. Okay, do the maths, please. Find the differences, and the difference. By the way, this number here is what we call the lower quartile. This number is the upper quartile. This is the lower quartile, upper quartile. Once again, the middle number is called the median. So very quickly, what you want to do is work out what we call the IQR. The IQR is what we call the interquartile range. And how do we find that? Well, IQR for any data set is found by taking its upper quartile and subtracting its lower quartile. So the IQR of babies' weights born to mothers who not smoke is, I'll quickly do the maths and get back to you. So here we go. I've done my calculations. No, I hope you fixed that spelling mistake. The interquartile range of babies' weights born to mothers who did not smoke is 1,134. So what I mean by that, the length of that box there is 1,134. In fact, it's 1,134 grams. You can call it units. That's how long that box is. This box is only 893 grams. So obviously, that box is larger. Okay, and you can also find out how much larger it is by subtracting those two. So I will start off by saying something like this. So here's my comment starting off. Okay, looking at the middle 50%, I noticed that the IQR So looking at the middle 50%, I noticed that the box for oops, that the box for babies weights whose mothers did not smoke or smoke during pregnancy is larger than the box for copy paste. Let's save time. Gotta change one word here. Did smoke. Now you can say the interquartile range. Okay, we've done the interquartile range, and if you leave it there, that's good enough. I'm pretty happy with that. So you got to do this for the rest of the documents. Okay.